92, Champ the bird dog. So there I was working out in the studio, like the rolling credit says, and Champ started playing with the birdseed bag. Cracked me up. Needless to say, totally cracked me up. Especially when he started eating the birdseed, which you will see momentarily. I don't know. He is just one funny dog. Now, this was a few weeks ago, and those of you that follow me on Facebook probably saw this or may have seen it already. And I just wanted to upload it to my YouTube channel because, because it was funny and it made me laugh and laugh and laugh, which should make y'all laugh and laugh and laugh. Wait for it. Here it comes.
Are you really eating bird food?